Hello unique device, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this front knot design. And for the new members that just joined us, if you find this video useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Alright, for this fabric that I just cut out, I'll be using it for the base, and this is the stretchy part. This measures 23 inches length by 17 inches width, 23 inches length by 17 inches width. I didn't cut out the band separately, so from this particular fabric I'll be measuring out 5 inches for the band. 5 inches for the band. So at this point, I'll be forming my band. I won't be using my scissors to detach it from the base. So kindly use your pins to hold it down the way I'm doing. This will help the fabric to hold down so it won't move while sewing it with a sewing machine. So once you're done with that, you take it to your sewing machine and sew this edge. Alright, I'm done with mine and I'll be removing the pins. Once I'm done doing that, I'll be forming my base. So just put the material together the way I'm doing. Then you use your pins to hold it down. So next thing I'll be doing now is to mark the part I will be cutting out, and we're marking 3 inches. So just form a curve at the back of this cap base. Then use your scissors to trim it off. Once you're done doing that, you mark 2.5 inches at the band area. 2.5 inches at the band area. Then at the tip of the base, you also mark 2 inches. Then you sew from that 2.5 inches down to the 2 inches. So I'm done doing mine and you can see the outcome. So you set this aside. So the next material we'll be working on is the material we use to form the design. The length is 40 inches length by 6 inches width. 40 inches length by 6 inches width. So you fold it and you make sure that the right side is inside while the wrong side is facing you. You fold this way and sew down. I'm done with mine and I'll be turning the fabric out so the right side will be facing me. And the next thing I'll be doing is to insert this foam inside it. This foam is half-inch foam. If you measure it, the measurement is half inch. And the length measures 38 inches length by 2.5 inches width. So I'll be inserting the foam inside the fabric. You can see how mine looks, right? You make that place that is sewn to be at the center. That part that is sewn to be at the center. And I'll be using this to form the front knot design. Just watch and see how I form mine again. So hope you understood the step. Next thing I'll be doing now is to add it to my cap base. So I'll be taking the front knot design, the material I'll be using to form the front knot design, and I will pass it through the gap I gave, that 2 inches gap that I gave. You pass it through there. Don't know if you understand me. Then once you are done with that, please you measure it and make sure that it's equal. You turn your cap base to face you, the right side, let it face you. Then you do the same method I just taught you. Please, once you're done forming your knot, make sure that that seam part, that part that is sewn, is facing down. If you find it facing you, just roll it down. Make sure it's facing down. Don't know if you understand me. Don't make that seam part to be seen. No matter how you form your front knot, ensure that the seam part is not showing. So, once you're satisfied with the front knot you just made, you make sure that the opening at the back aligns to that front knot and your cap base is also equal. You take each edge of that front knot, the material you used in forming the front knot, you're going to take it and tack it down to that opening I made. Don't know if you get me. Just follow these steps and you will get your design. Once you are done holding it down with your pins, you can take to your sewing machine and sew this edge and the other side of it too. You sew it down before folding both together and do your final stitching. It depends on you. But as for me, I just held it together and I tacked with my sewing machine. Alright, this is the final outcome and I'm done with my turban cap. Hope you enjoyed this training. Please feel free to like and share this video. And for new members that joined us, don't fail to subscribe, okay? And for the old subscribers, thanks for joining me once again. See you next time.